1.1a, rounding whole numbers and decimals. A whole number is a counting number. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. are all whole numbers. A decimal is a part of the whole. An example, this would be 0.25 is a part of the whole. So in terms of money, this is a quarter. It's a part of $1, a quarter of $1 to be exact. When we want to round whole numbers and decimals, there are some rules we have to follow. So we always look to the right of the place we are rounding to. If this number is less than 5, do nothing, and all digits to the right of this become just 0. So ignore all digits to the right. If this number is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit we are rounding to, and all digits to the right of the digit we are rounding to become 0. So let's look at a couple examples. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the nearest 10,000. To round to the nearest 10,000, we have to know where the 10,000th place is. So let's go through the places. This is the ones place. We call this the tens place. This is the hundreds place. This is the thousands place. This is the 10,000s place. And finally, this is the 100,000s place. So looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we identify the 2 as the nearest 10,000, or as the 10,000 we're trying to round to. So we look to the number to the right, and it's a 3. 3 is less than 5, so we do nothing and ignore all digits to the right of 2. So this becomes 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. And that's our answer. Let's look now at an example with decimals. So round 1.23456 to the nearest thousandth. Again, let's go through the places so we're sure where the thousandth place is. We start with the ones place like before. This is the tenths place. Similar, but a little bit different. Tenths. This is the hundredths place. This is the thousandths place. Here is the 10,000ths place. And finally, this is the 100,000ths place. So taking a closer look at 1.23456, we can identify the 4 as the thousandths place. So we look to the number to the right, which is a 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we add 1 to the 4 and make the rest of the numbers to the right of this 0. So it becomes 1.235 since we add 1 to the 4, and the rest of the numbers to the right just become 0. When we're dealing with decimals, we can ignore all trailing zeros, so this just becomes 1.235 as our final answer.